If you love classic Scotcheroos, you'll love these Scotcheroo Birds Nest treats. They're bite-sized, topped with chocolate eggs, and perfect for Easter. In a medium saucepan, combine peanut butter, sugar, and corn syrup. Stir over medium-low heat until the mixture is melted and smooth. Pour in Rice Krispies cereal, then mix to coat the cereal evenly. Divide the cereal mixture among each greased mini muffin tin cavity and use a shot glass to flatten the centers. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine chocolate chips with butterscotch chips, then microwave in 30-second intervals until melted and smooth. Spoon the melted chocolate mixture on top of each Scotcheroo, then top with 3 candy eggs. Let set completely before removing from the pan and enjoying.